I guess today I want to take a look at one of the comments under the surfaces in Trimble Business Center, which is called surface tie. And the reason why, because I just got a question from Peter the other day, like, hey, I have a design of my road, and they didn't have the OG, so they just kind of went and tied it into with a certain distance at a certain slope, so he doesn't really have a daylight. So he went out and did the top of original ground, which he brought into the business center, and he wanted to get that daylight, right, line. So I kind of reconstructed his version. So this would be kind of our center line of the road, or edge of the road, or whatever. And I have faked quick contours there to look at the 3D. I have original ground surface, and as you can see, the line is kind of floating above. So what we want to do is we want to kind of figure out and tie this to this surface. So what would you do is you go under surface and do surface tie, which opens this one. Obviously you can call it whatever. I'm gonna put it on FD contours. I want to tie it to original ground, because then I'm gonna select my reference line. Now you have the option to display on a daylight line. I like that. Sometimes when you have a curve, the lines kind of cross, and it might cause some issues, but at this point we're just gonna keep it maximum spacing. So at what space it would calculate those tying lines, right? So we're gonna put two, yeah, and it's asking us for a cut slope and a fill slope. So in case the road would cut through and it had to do fill, or what, and we might try that in a minute here. So right now I'm just gonna keep it simple, 1-to-1 on both sides, and also it's asking me which direction I want to do the tie, right? So whether I want to do it in here or in this way. So I'm just gonna go to the high point there, right? And I'm gonna hit apply, and as you can see, it created my tie lines at every 2 meters, and the bottom, that would be my daylight line, right? So very quick and easy. Obviously now you can take this, add it to my, let's say, finish design, and turn on the finish design, and I got nice beautiful surface there, right? So at this point I'm gonna take this line string, which I created, our like center line, right? And let's go and let's see if I can do it this way, like that. Okay, so obviously as you can see, I have a fill situation and cut situation. It's dependent on my line, so it's already doing the calculations in real life, right? Like real time. As you can see, the minute I start changing, right? Let's put the original there as well. So as you can see, the minute I go behind, it's doing the fill, right? These triangles in the middle I would erase. And also, as you can see, I have some flags there, and I believe that's done because of this daylight line. When it goes up, right, we kind of cross at the same point. So let's see if we can change this to, let's say, 5 meters. And you see, then they don't have issues, right? So I was calculating it too tight, right? See, corner time is round or sharp, right? So obviously you can go back and just do the daylight line. So this would give me only the line of cut and fill, right? So it's but obviously it looks nicer in this. Yeah, like I said, these triangles are you know, kind of like bogus triangles, right? Like, so I would just go to my finish and just kind of erase them. So when I look at that, it would look nice, right? My slope. So when I'm in a cut, I'm going down, and when I'm in fill, I'm going, well, when I'm in fill, I'm going up, when I'm in cut. So, but it's very nice. So hopefully this helped a whole bunch of you to create a quick surface ties, right? It works on around it, as you can see, on a straight or whatever, right? Like a cut fill situation, very easy, very nice. Well, we'll see you next one.